Hello, I'm Holden Ramey with the CattleFax Closing Bell. Today's Closing Bell is sponsored by VitaFirm. In mid-August, live cattle open interest fell to its lowest point for the year so far, just under 300,000 contracts. Since then, open interest in the live cattle complex has begun to trend higher. Last week, open interest climbed 4,197 contracts to finish just over 313,000. So far this week, open interest continues to climb and will likely finish the week around 325,000 contracts. All of this suggests that the seasonal trend higher in open interest is well underway, and the low in open interest set back a few weeks ago will likely be the low watermark for the year. Managed money traders exited over 26,000 longs in the live cattle complex from mid-July until the end of August. More recently, however, managed money appears to have some renewed optimism in the live cattle complex. The most recent data release from the CFTC had the managed money long position up over 4,300 contracts to over 105,000. From a historical standpoint, the managed money long position has only been larger at this point in the calendar year once in the past decade, which was back in 2014. Going forward, with climbing open interest and increasing managed money longs, live cattle futures will likely be at least supported around current levels and could start to make a more directional push higher in the coming weeks. Turning to this week's markets, light to moderate fed cattle trade occurred in the north at 183 to 184 live and mostly 290 dressed, steady to $1 better than last week. Moderate volumes traded in the south at mostly 180, which is $1 to $2 firmer than last week. The live cattle futures complex rallied sharply on Wednesday and Thursday, though it did soften some on Friday. Even so, the nearby October contract still finished over $3 higher on the week, near 183 per hundredweight. The feeder cattle index was mostly steady on the week, trading around 249 per hundredweight. Thanks for watching, and remember to visit CattleFax.com to become a member and receive the latest market news and analysis.